Chismis Trend! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayong araw ay ginawa ang press conference ng pagbubukas ng PGT, kung saan judges nga ang actress na si Catherine Bernardo dito. Pinamangha ni Catherine ang kanyang fans sa kanyang outfit dahil nagpakita ito ng kanyang makinis na legs. Kung saan pabiro pa ngang nag-joke si Catherine patungkol dito. Narito ang ganap backstage.
Kanina pa sa online live natin. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pag-comment.
Ang bongga ng palis! Summer ready ka na.
Kamangha-mangha naman ang naging sagot ng aktres na si Catherine Bernardo dahil ayon sa kanya ay madali lamang siyang mapayes. Ngunit hindi sa paraan na kung paano nga daw maging si Catherine Bernardo. Narito ang buong detalye ng kanyang naging sagot. Let's watch this.
Ano yung naiiba? What's the difference na ikaw naman yung tutulong sa pagsa-scout ng next great thing sa Filipino talent dito sa bagong season na to?
Yeah, it's different. It's so different. You know, nag-set naman ako sa utak ko. Nag-set na ako na, okay, it's gonna be a different experience. Pero iba pala, pag nandyan ka na, talaga. Alam mo yung minsan pag uwi ko from taping, iniisip mo pa, i-recap ko lahat ng mga nakita ko na performances that day. And then iisipin ko hanggang makashower, hanggang nasa bed ka, if tama yung mga nabigay kong advice and yung mga yeses and nos na binigay ko that day. Because, like yung sinabi kanina, I think that was one of the first few questions. Meron kaming power to change a person's dream or to make that dream come true. We can be part of that dream. So our yeses, it's so powerful. And yung no's namin, it's so hard to say no. Parang sinabi ko, kung ako lang siya na aska, Diyos ko, ang dali-dali kong patawanin, pasayahin. Pero kailangan din, syempre, we're here representing Pilipinas Got Talent and I'm one of the judges, so we have to perform as well. So siguro yun yung iba. So iba yung environment, but this time, ang galing niya kasi ang dami din naming natututunan sa mga nag-audition. So, di ba, akala nyo kami yung nagme-mentor sa kanila. But then, feeling ko, ang dami ko natututunan sa bawat nagpe-perform. And growing up, siguro, I'm just very lucky na I was surrounded, and I'm still surrounded with a lot of people. Parang I have my mentors. So, like, I have Tita Cory, I have CLK, I have Inang, Derek Cathy. I have these people na umalalay sa akin at umaalalay sa akin hanggang ngayon. And sobrang grateful ko sa mga tao na yun. And now I think it's time to share what I've learned through the years. I know na I'm very young, I'm not experienced enough, but I think this is my way of paying it forward sa kanila naman na I think ito yung personal na experience ko, and I think this will help you. So when I'm there, it's me as a judge, yes, but I want to be that person na you can talk to as your friend, as your sister. I want to be that heart sa panel na magiging comfortable ka. So ayun, that's what I'm trying to do every episode. I keep that in mind. And nagpapasalamat lang ako sa lahat ng mentors ko through the years, and hopefully this time ako naman yung makakatulong sa mga sasali pa dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. So yes, it's different, but I think this is my way of saying thank you. So sana may matutunan naman sila. Let's just enjoy. Yes. Thank you so much, Sir Philip.
Looking forward ang ilang fans ni Catherine Bernardo sa mga kaganapan niya sa PGT. Kaya naman, kung ikaw ay solid fans ng actress, huwag mong kalilimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at pindutin mo na rin ang notification bell para mas updated ka kay Chismis Trend. Thank you for watching.
Wouldn't be the first time I done it, throwing hundreds where I wouldn't be the